Guys, listen to me. It's Mike at Narc Customs. Tonight we're working on Stanley. We're gonna do something I've wanted to do for a very, very long time. Let me get you set down here and let's do some talking. All right, so I bought these caps a long time ago. Well, there's a guy on Instagram named the Struggle 55 that makes a clamping system that works on this style of hubcap, but the 10-inch, and these are obviously larger, which isn't gonna work for his style. So they wanna sit over the thing like that, and then the Camaro has a 18-inch trim ring. So I'm gonna get those, I'm gonna get these, but there's no way to mount these to this setup here, right? So unless I guess I could weld little beads and clamp it on. That may be the way to do it. All right, guys, we're back. Got the Jarrett at Hiwassee Tire and Lube broke down the tires for us so we can mess with this. We're gonna put a new tire on them, obviously, because you saw the burnout. So while we do that, I'll grab one of these hubcaps. Look at that sweet thing. Woo, it's so nice. Okay, it'll fit on like that. So now it's time to weld some beads on here and see if we can get it to, you know, clamp down over the beads and stay. If this is your first time here, I want to say thanks and welcome. We'd certainly appreciate a subscriber out of you. This truck has been in the family 20-something years. No, 40-something years. Been mine for 20-something years. Makes 500 wheel horsepower, stock bottom end, big cam, big converter, 4L80 setup in this truck, all hand built, hot side, tons of playlists. There's more than 50 videos on the YouTube channel for this. right, guys, so I had a better idea. So I'll go in, I'll clean, I'll fill this side in so it's better rounded, or whatever. And then I put a little, kind of built the bead up on this side. Take it, you slide it on there, get it on here. Bam. Oh man, it did it a while ago. There it is. I mean, that's a bunch of pressure to do that. So now I'm gonna take and put right here some beads like I did on this side, and that way you could knock it down and it'll be good to go. Here's the bead I was talking about. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's more, you know, built up, where this one is flatter. So I'll take and kind of bead that one up a little more here in the middle. Okay, all four are on there. Thing's not going anywhere. That's awesome. Sweet. I mean, yep. Alright guys, wheel 2 is done. You just saw a little bit of beading there, but I wanted to show you in real time. So what I'll do is I'll take and put these on. I'll have a rubber mallet. With me all the time. Bingo bango. I mean, I can't pull it off with my hand, so surely that thing's not coming off. Boom, that's gonna look so good. Oh, guys, I can't tell you how much I've wanted to do this for so long. I'm super pumped. This thing, like, you can't pull it off. So that'll be our next bit of video, is how to get something in there to where I can pull them off. But I'm fixing to throw it on the truck, and then we'll close the video out. All right, here's the reason you come to Jared. You see this right here? This dude poured a pad for Burnouts. Burnout City out here at Hiawassee Tire and Loop. So we're gonna bring the old truck back when I get ready for new tires, and we're gonna just destroy them right there. Boom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't yet. We'd certainly appreciate that. If you want to follow us and see daily updates, we post on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok just about every day. All right, guys, see you. Truck. So let's get to work.